Wait. Do I need a self shackle? Do you?
No. The hook is round, it won't cut.
Okay. Yeah, honestly, the less gear you need, the better. Right? You've got a hook, it's already built in, it's right there to your vehicle. The strap has a loop. What else do you need? You can use one if you want, but the people get there like, what do I do with my shackle? You don't need it.
Okay, so he has to get in his car and give me a little boost, and then I'll just...
Do you guys have radios? Is that what we should be using here?
I forgot. Do we not have... Well, I'll tell you what, keep the windows down.
I have 2 GMRSs if you want to use them.
I have mine.
Do you? Antonio, you got your GMRS?
Yes, I do.
Put it on channel 15, and because that's part of the... Communication is a big part of recovery. If you don't talk to each other, something's going to go south.
So, what jig? It's up to you. If it were my vehicle, I would put my vehicle in drive, but not use the gas. But I would make sure that I am in 2-wheel drive. Less friction. Less friction. I would put it in 2-wheel drive, put it in drive, and then just let him pull you out. Now, he can't go straight because those trees are in the way. So he's going to have to turn slightly this way. So if he starts moving off in that direction, you would want to turn your wheels in that right, because you don't want to have him pulling you this way. You want to stay behind. So for you, this is easy. There's very little work for you. The only input you're going to use is maybe steering. That's it. He's doing the work.
Do I have to be in 4-wheel drive, high, low?
That's what. Try it. See what happens. You tell me.
Okay. Bring it back.
You got it. Give me a thumbs up.
Antonio, I have suggested we put his vehicle in drive, in 2-wheel drive, but not use any gas. The only input he's going to put in steering. You're going to do all the work. Pull him out. Okay. So before you start, tell me what are you going to do? Okay. How? I would suggest you move up very slowly until you feel tension. Until you feel you felt very good. Fredrico, you're in reverse.
Working against.
Are you messing with him?
Yeah.
Communicate with each other. Talk.
Here we go.